No extension. Opposition votes against continuation of states of public emergency. The security measures come to an end next month. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening on Edge, St. James residents fare the worst as SOE nears end.
Let's talk. Business interests demand meeting to discuss decision to end SOE.
Did the PNP score an own goal? Political commentators weigh in on the vote.
Celebration. Mount Airy All-Age students revel in Junior School Challenge Quiz Championship.
And in business news, going up, gas prices to rise from 7-month low.
There's also sports post commentary and weather in the primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what are your views on the opposition's decision to end support for the states of public emergency?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet @televisionjam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.